Hi, my name is Wayne Taylor. I'm from South Africa and I live in the wonderful city of Benoni. I've been privileged to be a delegate in the Discover Yourself program from Mr. Khan. Let me tell you timely reminders that you're living now. Take responsibility and accountability for the choices you make. If it's to be, it's up to me, up to nobody else. Remember, the lesson is to love yourself, love others, be kind, always.
Good day, global world. My name is Wolfer Skalk. I'm from AMKA Sales Division in South Africa. I was really very fortunate to attending the Discover Yourself program here in Pretoria, and it was just absolutely rejuvenating to know that I am a different person. I can empower myself. I can do different things. I can believe in myself. I don't have fear. I am who I am, and I can just be going forward from here. Very, very integrating in terms of what Mr. Khan spoke about, and we are extremely happy that I'm a different person. I can really look forward to do things differently. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Leanne Debraj. I'm here in Centurion, South Africa, and I've just finished day 2 with Mr. Khan's self-discovery course. I think my key takeaway is that first you have to be self-aware of the issues that you're currently facing to improve your self-discovery. And I think the key takeaway for me is that with growth, you have to really challenge yourself. You have to be authentic and really ask yourself the hard questions, because that's where your growth and discovery comes from. And even though it might be uncomfortable at times, you've got to get comfortable with that and being unfamiliar and really asking yourself the hard questions. I just want to say thank you. It's really pushed me, exponentially in growth personally and in business. So thank you, Mr. Khan, for today.
Hi, my name is Patricia Dlamini. I'm from Centurion in Gauteng, South Africa. My biggest takeout for this workshop is that the power of the mind, it's a very strong platform. And when we take away everything else that we have in this world, we only have ourselves and we only have our mind. And if we learn how to control our mind and feed our mind with the correct things, I think you'll be able to flourish in everything and anything that we really do, because it all just begins and ends with us. I think it also just reminds us to live in the moment, live in the present, and pace yourself. Everything is actually just not a race if you realize it. If you pace yourself, everything else will be fine. And if you silence your mind and you're able to just silence yourself, there's a word that we learned. It's called nothingness. Listening in nothingness and in silence and in stillness. This is what this has taught me. And with everything that happens, whether it's at work, whether it's at home, whether it's in your marriage, whether it's in your relationship, practice the spirit of nothingness. Not everything is your reality, but a perception and somebody else's opinion and perspective is one of my biggest takeouts as well. Thank you.
Uncle Ismail, Suleiman, AK, and Nasima in her absence. I think I speak on behalf of the entire team that we are really privileged and honored that you have afforded us the opportunity to spend some time in your prized company in the past 2 days. Uncle Ismail, your pearls of wisdom are always welcome and appreciated. We pray to Allah to give you great health so we are able to selfishly draw from your pool of wisdom. Thank you for arranging Sadatullah Khan and for the phenomenal treatment. Mr. Khan, thank you. Please forgive us for our shortcomings. We know that the team has made every effort to catch every single pearl that you have passed over to us. The rain is proof that we are truly blessed. We appreciate and will take the lessons further by continuing to strive in the direction to gain more education in the health, mind and body, as well as empowering our teams with all the wisdom you have shared with us. And especially right in the beginning, one of the most important lessons you shared with us is the lessons of patience, thinking, before reacting, before answering. And I think that is something that we've always learned, and I think it makes a difference that when you are patient, things go your way. So really, thank you very much. I really appreciate every one of you taking your time. It's been a long 2 days, but I think there's been a lot of energy, there's been a lot of effort, and I think every single one of you has taken something out of it. And please value it and make it part of you. Thank you.
It's Rockefeller Makubo. I'm from South Africa, Gauteng. I've attended the course Discover Yourself by Sakan, and it's been a great 2 days. We've learned a lot. We've discovered ourselves. We're able to, explore different areas of our lives that we were not sure about, or we didn't have clues about. But we're grateful for the course that we've shared with my colleagues here. I'll hand over to my colleague here.
Good afternoon. My name is Bobo Nembilu. I'm from Gauteng, South Africa. The course that I just attended today, Discover Yourself, is a great show and it's a great concept for empowering us as employees to be very strong and to face the market. Thank you.
For those that don't know me, my name is Andrew. I'm from KZN. The course was very good today. One thing I learned about when you have a difficult customer, we tend to pay less attention to them because of their attitude. Today we learned that to let go of the past and forgiveness is a power for us to succeed in the future.
What? You see, I asked Andrew, I said, Andrew, what did you learn? He said, today I learned something very great. So I said, what? He says, forgetting the past and looking into the future. Now remember, the past becomes baggage, and Saratullah displayed it beautifully here with the amount of baggage we carry. We hate this guy, we hate that guy. All that holds you back. If you're open-minded, and even if somebody swears you, forget about him. And some of the, what they call it, the customers will swear you. F off and all that. Don't worry about that. Don't even feel hurt. Because why? He may have his precious and he may make some mistakes. Fine, overlook. Because if you take that to heart, you're never going to do business with that person. So you have to learn to forgive and move on. Thank you very much. God bless.
Name's Evita Veludos. I came through to Discover Yourself by Mr. Khan. I'm currently in Joburg, South Africa. I found the program excellent. A lot of information to make yourself the best self that you can be. And I believe that anyone who takes the course will basically benefit a lot from it, not only from a perspective of ability to work with people, but also the ability to understand yourself better and understand what your weaknesses and your faults are.
Diona Janneke. I'm from Centurion. I am attending Dr. Khan's seminar today. It's a 2-day seminar. And what I'm taking from this is that you need to leave the past behind you. Live in the present to create the future. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mohammed Ibrahim from Lodium, Pretoria in South Africa. I've attended Discover Yourself workshop with Mr. Sadat Khan. And the last 2 days, although it was very intense, 2 of the most important points I've taken away. The longer you keep baggage, the harder present becomes for you. The harder it becomes to achieve what you want to achieve because you're too busy carrying a lot of baggages in the background. So if anybody wants to go for a course like this, I would highly recommend it. Thank you.
I'm Felicity from Swaziland, Eswatini, and it's the 2nd day attending the workshop called Discover Yourself by Mr. Khan. And I will tell you that it's a workshop to attend, one of the best experiences in my life. And it's all about basically discovering yourself and knowing who you are. And doesn't matter what area you're in, whether it's your career, your job, your personal life, your family life. It's all about just knowing where you come from and living in the now moments, leaving the past behind us and not carrying baggage into the future or into your present moments. And because there's no way we're going to carry peace and freedom within ourselves if we're going to carry baggage. And we all have baggage in our lives, but we need to just work towards forgiving each other in the workplace, amongst family, and just, it's just a lot. But anyways, it's amazing. Okay, so thank you.